Okay, so today we're going to be trying to find out what the problem of this reverse light is. Basically, the customer came to me and we thought the bulb was gone, so we replaced the bulb, and what it was, the bulb will continuously stay on. So what I temporarily done is, that's how you change the bulb anyway, you just have to take this out and you twist it. So what I've done temporarily is just take the bulb out because it's continuously staying on. So what we're guessing is actually the reverse light sensor, which is this thing here, is at fault and is located down here on the gearbox at the front. So what we need to do first is take this clip off like that. That's the sensor wire and that's the sensor. It's hard to, right there. So you need a 22mm spanner to remove it. To mount my spanner around the socket, I'm just going to try and untighten it. It's in a very awkward position, to be honest. Nope, it's not going to work from this way. I'm going to have to try and use the socket. Half a drive wrench on it. So I've managed to crack it, I'm just undoing it now. Okay, so it's coming out. Okay. Okay, so I've got the old one up. This is the old one over here. Compare it to the new one.
It looks burnt out.
It's the same thing, but yeah, we're going to be putting a new one in now anyways, in reverse. It's the same thing. Just swap that washer around, please. I accidentally dropped the washer before. Good size of that, bro. Transfer it. Don't drop it again, yeah? Just leave that there.
I'm not like you, bro.
So just reusing the old washer. Is it going on?
It's a weird washer, bro.
If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to take this whole fuse box out because the new one, I dropped it right down there. It's just hard to get to. Is it not going on? So I'm gonna put the new one on now. I'm gonna just zoom into where the goes. It goes right there, that hole over there. So I'm gonna just hand tighten it first. In like that. And then I'm just gonna put my socket over it and tighten it off. Let's get the switch in. I'm just gonna put the, sorry guys, it's really hard to film here. I'm just gonna put the socket back on like that. You should hear a click. That's it. So moving back, we're gonna put the bulb back in here. Do you still have the bulb? Check if you got the bulb. We're gonna put the bulb back in here.
This is something else.
Alright, I'll go and get one.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, so we found the bulb, put it back in. Just gonna put it back in the housing. Just goes in, twists like that. Put the connector back on. That's it. Right, do you want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Jump in the car. Switch it on. Okay. Select reverse. Yeah, let it go. Take it off. Yeah, put it back on. That's it. So that's how you fix reverse light that's continuously on. Hope this video helped guys. Like, share and subscribe.